As technology continues to evolve, so do our furniture choices. Smart tables equipped with charging ports, Bluetooth speakers, or even built-in refrigerators are becoming increasingly popular in contemporary design. Similarly, a smart coffee table with wireless charging capabilities can keep your devices powered while adding convenience to your living space. These are just some examples of contemporary furniture design. If you are a woodworker, there are even more ideas you can consider making from time to time. Customizable furniture pieces allow you to express your personal style while ensuring the piece fits perfectly within your space. Look for furniture that offer interchangeable components or adjustable heights. For example, a modular coffee table that can be rearranged into different configurations allows for flexibility in your living area, adapting to various occasions or needs. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking ideas, wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas for your home and office decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. While wood is stunning on its own, combining it with other materials can create striking contrasts and enhance the overall design of your space. Pair wooden furniture with metal legs or handles for an industrial touch. Incorporate glass tabletops on wooden bases for a modern look that maintains the warmth of wood. Add textile elements like upholstered chairs or cushions in bold colors or patterns to complement wooden furniture. Consider furniture made from unique materials that reflect your personality. From resin-infused wood to metal with intricate designs, customizable options can help you create a one-of-a-kind piece. For example, a furniture featuring a live edge wood slab encapsulated in clear resin provides both functionality and artistic flair, making it a true conversation piece. To ensure the longevity of your wooden furniture and decorative pieces, consider the following maintenance tips. Regular dusting: use a soft cloth to dust surfaces regularly to prevent dirt buildup. Avoid excessive moisture: keep wooden items away from excessive moisture. Use coasters to protect surfaces from water rings. Use natural cleaners: clean wood surfaces with natural cleaners like vinegar diluted with water to avoid damaging finishes. Polish occasionally: use wood polish every few months to maintain shine and protect the surface from scratches. Control humidity: maintain consistent humidity levels in your home to prevent wood from warping or cracking. When choosing wooden furniture and decorative pieces, consider sustainability. Reclaimed wood: opt for furniture made from reclaimed wood to reduce environmental impact. Sustainable sourcing: look for products certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council to ensure responsible sourcing. Local artisans: support local craftsmen who create handmade pieces using sustainable practices. Smart furniture don't have to compromise on style. Many designs incorporate sleek lines and modern finishes that enhance your decor while offering technological benefits. For instance, a sleek furniture with integrated speakers can seamlessly blend into your modern living room while providing entertainment options at your fingertips. When it comes to outdoor decor, durability is key. Look for furniture made and finished with weather-resistant materials such as teak or synthetic wicker that can withstand the elements while still looking stylish. For instance, a beautiful round teak dining table set under a pergola creates an inviting outdoor dining space that's perfect for summer gatherings. Creating a cozy ambience outdoors is essential for enjoying alfresco dining or relaxation. Consider adding lighting elements such as string lights or lanterns around your outdoor furniture for added charm. Woodworking promotes sustainability and environmental consciousness through the use of renewable and biodegradable materials. Sustainable practices. Using sustainably sourced wood promotes responsible forestry practices and helps preserve natural resources. Carbon sequestration. Wood products store carbon dioxide, contributing to climate change mitigation efforts. Biodegradability. Wood is a biodegradable material that decomposes naturally without causing harm to the environment. If you're new to woodworking, here are some tips to help you get started on your woodworking journey. 1. Start small. Begin with simple projects like cutting boards or picture frames to build your confidence and skills before tackling larger projects. 2. Invest in quality tools. Invest in basic woodworking tools like a saw, hammer, chisel, and measuring tape to get started on your projects. Quality tools will make your woodworking experience more enjoyable and efficient. 3. Choose the right wood. Choose wood species that are easy to work with like pine, poplar, or cedar for beginner projects. Experiment with different woods to see which ones you prefer working with. 4. Practice safety. Always wear safety gear like goggles, gloves, and ear protection when working with power tools or sharp objects. Follow safety guidelines and instructions for using tools and equipment. 5. Learn techniques. Take the time to learn basic woodworking techniques like measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing to achieve professional results in your projects. 6. Join a woodworking club. Joining a woodworking club or community can help you connect with other woodworkers, share tips and ideas, and gain inspiration for future projects. 7. Have fun. Most importantly, have fun with your woodworking projects. Enjoy the process of creating something with your hands and take pride in your finished pieces. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking ideas, wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas for your home and office decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.